Hello guys, welcome to iMobi YouTube channel. If you want to remove Google account from phone or sign out Google account to change a new one, watch today's video. I'll show you the easiest way to remove Google account in few minutes with a few steps. Let's start. Go to Settings and then click Users and Accounts. Choose the Google account that is signed into this device. Click More option from the up right corner. Tap on the Remove Account button. Finally, confirm your selection. Then your Google account will be removed from your device. If you want to remove Google account forever, go to myaccount.google.com to delete it. Then sign in your Google account. Then you will access to your profile. Click on Manage Data and Privacy, scroll down the page, and click Delete your account and/or services. Preview the description that appears next. Scroll down the page, and click Delete Account to end the process. If you lose your device, then you want to remove the Google account from the device. You can remove Google account from Android remotely. Sign into your Google account via another device, and then select the security option. Then click on the Find Your Devices icon, then continue to tap on Manage Devices. The screen will show the list of devices connect to your Google account. Tap on your lost device, and then click Remove option. After that, Google will immediately send you a notification. Tap on Remove to proceed. Your Google account will be removed from your phone instantly. As we can see, if you want to remove Google account from your phone in above 3 methods, it always requires Google account and password. But what if you stuck on the Google account verification screen after factory reset? It's still possible to bypass it easily with DroidKit. DroidKit is a professional unlock software for Android. It can bypass the Google account verification on your device in few clicks and unlock your Android device without password. It supports various types of Android devices like Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Oppo, Motorola, etc. For more models, please check the details on the video description link. Let me show you how it removes Google account from your phone easily and instantly. Firstly, download and install DroidKit on your computer. Launch it and click FRP bypass. Then connect the device to computer with a USB cable. Then click on Start button. After that, DroidKit will start preparing a configuration file to your device. Then click Start to Bypass button. Then put your device to recovery mode following the on-screen guide. When you've successfully entered recovery mode, click on Next to proceed. DroidKit will immediately bypass FRP lock and remove the Google account from your device successfully. Okay. Here are the 4 methods to remove Google account from phone. If you think these are helpful, please kindly leave your like and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.